Today I am going to tell you how to reduce the tamarind taste in rasam. Generally, tomato and tamarind contributes to the tangy taste of the rasam. Sometimes the quality of the tomatoes, that is when they are little more sour, and also the tamarind quality when it is more sour than the normal one, then this contributes to the extra tanginess in the rasam. So let us see how to repair it. For every 1 liter of rasam to be repaired, we can boil 50 grams of chickpea dal softly and then mash it well. Add the necessary amount of water to be added to it, and then add a small piece of jaggery to it. Mix it well and add this mixture to the 1 liter of rasam. Keep it in the gas stove and bring it to boil. Now you can try for the tangy taste. It would have got adjusted.